What? What kind of a start was that? Slip and Slide 2020. All right, go for it. This is our snow hill. This is what we do in the summer when there's no snow. So this is 100 feet by 10 feet. It's plastic sheeting, 6mm. Oh, here comes someone else. Is that a new record? Found this on Amazon for 50 bucks. This is our slip and slide. They haven't made it down to the end yet. Hey, that's pretty far.
Need more soap down here though.
You need more baby soap?
It's scritchy.
So we got baby soap to lube up this whole slide. You're going down backwards. For the tops and bottoms, I put these tent stakes in here. We rolled up the plastic. You can see it's starting to rip a little bit, but otherwise it's holding. And then it's just baby bubbles and lots of water. New record. I go. What? What kind of a start was that?